It's a decent start for Mumbai Heroes. 23 for no loss after 4 overs. Those are the CCL directors. What a vision they've had in the past, and this has really materialized so far. This field would result in more runs. This is where they have to be smart. Karnataka Bulldozers. Each and every run just releases the pressure on the batsmen. He's charging them up. That's good to see. He's looking very motivated. Sudeep.
If looks can kill, isn't it, Ajay? He's not happy with his fielders at times. It's all in good faith. He wants his players to give their 100%. It's such a tight game for the Bulldozers. They need to win this to remain in the hunt.
That's a good delivery. Shot for leg before, and the finger is up. The umpire is impressed. The batsman, he's opting for a review. He isn't very happy. But the on-field umpire, his finger was up. Sunil Shetty not playing this game. On his left, the coach, Balwinder Singh Sandhu, they have opted for the review here.
It looked quite out from here. The only thing that can save Varun is the inside edge. Or is it the height? Is it the height? But he's standing on the crease. He's hardly moved. Can you see the stumps from here? There's hit above the knee roll. So that's the big question mark in the mind of the umpire. He's standing ahead of the crease, so that is high.
Yeah, absolutely. From this angle, very evident. Definitely the ball would have missed the stumps. Height is a big factor in that. I just feel it's a good review taken by Varun Bandola. Also just see how far from the crease, how ahead he is. That should be in his favour. That's a legal delivery, no doubt about that. Well inside the crease. But the point of impact, that's the important thing. Very high, above the knee roll, also standing ahead of the crease.
That should help Varun Bandola. I'm sure he'll survive. It is the Mumbai Heroes who had asked for a review. And the message from the third umpire should be not out to the main umpire there. Varun Bandola immediately asked for a DRS, and that's it. He has to revoke his decision, the main umpire. So Varun Bandola, he survived. Initially I thought that maybe an inside edge, but Varun Bandola was convinced that it had hit him above the knee roll. So good work there by Varun.
Absolutely, I think very sensible thing, because as a batsman many a times you know that it's hit just above the knee roll, the point of impact, and he was very clear in his mind. Right thing to opt for the review when it's available, when technology is there for you, for your help. He's getting some shape. Again, very good running, showing that urgency.
There's so much of excitement around. We see intensity. The crowd is getting involved. We have the DRS system in place. This is like watching an international game. Serious cricket happening here. That's the decision review system. Karnataka has got one left. Mumbai Heroes have got 2 remaining now. That was a just call taken by Varun Bandola.
Going for the big shot. Does well. Just finding the gap. The ball racing to the fence. Rao getting his first boundary, and in style.
This is much better cricket from both the Varuns here. This is Varun Rao this time. They're trying to pin that area in front of the stumps. And with the delivery which is incoming, that's a much better shot to play. Play with the line of the ball, and you'll get some value for your shots. The previous over it was Varun Badola who hit that splendid straight drive, and this time it is Varun Rao. Both of them using the pace of the bowler Karthik here.
That should be a wide. Zerling in his line, way down the offside. Extras moving on to 9. The captain, he's not looking very pleased, shaking his head, he's distraught, motivating his boys regularly. But coming back to both the openers, Sabha, they have batted sensibly. That's the important factor. This has been a decent start now for the heroes. Very important when you're chasing a big score. Playing in the air, man coming underneath, and he's taken a beauty. That's a stunning catch to say the least. Thorough on the field on that occasion. Excellent anticipation.
This is what we have been talking about. This is serious cricket, and take a look at this. High in the air, it was Sudhir who had to come under that delivery, and he took it so well. Lost his balance in the end, but he managed to hold on to that ball. And look at that celebration, they deserve it. So heroes have lost. The first wicket is Varun Rao, who departs after scoring 9, is 31 for 1.
The new man of the crease, Raja, he'll be at the non-striker's end. Badola on strike, going for that single. Back looking for the second, but better since prevailing. It's a single to end the over. 32 for 1.